This is officially day 30 of eating raw foods. So I've been primarily eating fruits, and I always start my morning off with some hibiscus tea. My cat always is in the kitchen when I'm in the kitchen. She thinks that when I eat, she eats. But basically, I started my morning off with some fresh organic blueberries, watermelon, strawberries, and walnuts, and some fresh orange juice. So basically, this is me going through my day, showing you guys what I'm able to do, how much energy I have to get things done. And I'm washing dishes now, and after this, I am doing laundry. So I started my morning off pretty early. I got dressed pretty early, around 6 a.m. So just getting the clothes clean before I head out to go shopping for the house. So I went out to grab a couple of plants. I love plants because it purifies the air in your home. And also I went to Target to look at a couple of pots and vases for my plants because Target is like the best place to shop. Now to the fun part, and that's grocery shopping. Now, I did not intend on getting any plants here, but I saw this beautiful plant and I just had to get it, so I got it. I usually come here to get my food and my flowers. I think flowers is a nice touch in the home. Fresh flowers every week, and also some eucalyptus. I believe eucalyptus is just a nice aesthetic. Also, it's very purifying for the shower and for your kitchen, so I usually get a couple. So to the grocery part, I want to share some of the things that I got. I got some organic blueberries, some organic strawberries. I tried to go primarily organic. I got some papaya. My daughter had to show her candy, but pomegranates. I also got cold pressed orange juice, watermelon, salmon for my cat. Also, as I mentioned, eucalyptus, love those. Also some potatoes for my daughter, and some toilet paper and pineapple. So summed it up, and now I am home ready to unload. Just to touch on a few things, I've had so much energy since I started this journey with raw eating. I will tell you that sticking to primarily fruit helped me a lot, like with energy, with clarity, mental clarity. I saw this beautiful picture at Target, and I got this picture. I also got some cantaloupe. I don't think I shared that, and some organic lime and some cucumbers because I'm juicing a lot as well. As you know, I got a large case of organic strawberries, and I'm just telling you, like, when I tell you this stuff gives me so much energy, like, it really is amazing. Now, my aim wasn't to just go raw, but to also go all in. So just purifying the air with plants and just, having a healthy mental state, because I believe just accomplishing one part of it, which is dieting in a sense, is just half of the job. Like, I think that we need to focus on all parts of healing. So let's get into my next meal. I have some raw nut butter, strawberry, blueberries, cucumbers, and fresh watermelon. I'm also topping that with juice that I juiced myself, orange juice and green juice. And guys, self-love is so important. So I set this up next to my plants, and baby, I am showing myself some love. So the book I'm reading is called Atomic Habits. It's really a good read. It's helping me a lot through this journey because it's giving me reasons to stay committed to the process. Nothing phenomenal can be done without sticking to a process, committing to it, and just not compromising on what you're trying to do, and just keeping that end goal in mind. 3 things I take from the first 30 days is high energy, great sleep, and mental clarity. So I am ending my night with some papaya, mushrooms, and cantaloupe with detox water. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you taking time out to see my journey thus far, but it is continuing. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.